Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Twitter properly. First, I'll introduce myself. I am Jenrick Disagliba, and all among the apps I choose Twitter. First, open Twitter. Simply create an account or simply log into your account if you have already one. This is the home page. From here, you can go to For You and also simply scroll onto what your following has post. You can also click on search and search for people or any post you want. If you click on Grok, this is a new update. You can ask anything in here and it will reply to you. This is basically AI. If you click on two-person light figure, you can explore in here as well. The bell icon is for notification. If you go to the envelope at the bottom right, this is where you can send message to people. To tweet, simply click on the plus button with the blue feather on it at the bottom right. At you can tweet anything you want. This is how use Twitter beginner guide.